Hello, and welcome back to Daily Talking. My name is Alex. This is our podcast where we practice simple, everyday English. Last time, we talked about going to the gym. After the gym, I am always very, very hungry. When I am hungry and tired, I do not want to cook for 1 hour. I want food fast. So, today, I want to teach you how to cook my favorite fast meal. Today's topic is cooking my favorite meal. My favorite simple meal is a cheese omelet. O-M-E-L-E-T. Omelet. I love omelets. Why? Because they are easy, they are fast, and they are delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious means it tastes very, very good. You can eat an omelet for breakfast, for lunch, or for a light dinner. Today, I will teach you my secret, well, not secret, my simple recipe. First, we must get our ingredients. I-N-G-R-E-D-I-E-N-T-S. Ingredients. Ingredients are the food items you need to make a meal. For my simple omelet, the ingredients are very easy. Number 1, we need eggs. E-G-G-S. I use 3 eggs. Number 2, we need milk. M-I-L-K. Just a little milk. Number 3, we need butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. Number 4, we need salt and pepper. S-A-L-T and P-E-P-E-R. This is for the taste. Number 5, and the best ingredient, cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. I like cheddar cheese. That is all. 3 eggs, milk, butter, salt, pepper, and cheese. We also need some tools. We need a bowl, B-O-W-L, a whisk, W-H-I-S-K, to mix, and a pan, P-A-N, to cook. Okay, let's cook. Are you ready? Step 1. Take the 3 eggs. We need to crack the eggs. C-R-A-C-K, crack. You hit the egg gently, tap, tap, and open it into the bowl. Be careful. No shells in the bowl. Step 2. Add a little milk to the bowl. Just a splash. The milk makes the omelet soft. Add a little salt and a little pepper. Step 3. Take your whisk. A whisk is a tool for mixing. Now we whisk the eggs. W-H-I-S-K. Whisk means mix very fast. Mix. Mix the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. Stop when the eggs are all yellow and a little bubbly. Good. Now the fun part. Step 4. Put your pan on the stove. S-T-O-V-E. Turn on the heat. Not high heat, medium heat. We want the pan to be warm, not super hot. Step 5. Put the butter in the pan. The pan is warm. The butter starts to melt. M-E-L-T. Melt. Melt means it changes from solid, hard, to liquid, like water. I love that sound. Move the butter around the pan. Step 6. Now pour the yellow eggs into the pan. P-O-U-R. Pour. Yes, another great sound. Do not touch it. Just let it cook. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. You will see the eggs start to get solid. Step 7. The eggs are almost cooked. Now, it is time for the cheese. I take my cheese, I sprinkle the cheese on one side on half of the omelet. Sprinkle, S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E. Sprinkle means to drop little pieces. I use a lot of cheese. I love cheese. Step 8. This is the important part. We must fold the omelet. F-O-L-D. Fold. You take a spatula and you lift the empty side of the egg and you fold it over the cheese. Now the omelet looks like a half moon. The cheese is inside. It is trapped. Step 9. Wait 30 more seconds. Just 30 seconds. The cheese inside is now melting. It is getting soft and warm. Okay, it is finished. I turn off the stove. I slide the omelet from the pan onto a plate. Wow, it looks beautiful. It is yellow. I take a fork. I cut the omelet. Oh yes, the melted cheese is amazing. I take a bite. It is delicious. It is hot. It is cheesy. It is perfect. It took maybe 10 minutes from the fridge to the plate. That is why it is my favorite simple meal. So, that is my recipe for a simple, delicious cheese omelet. You can add other ingredients too. You can add tomatoes or mushrooms or ham. But for me, just cheese is perfect. What about you? What is your favorite fast meal to cook? Can you tell me the ingredients? Thank you for cooking with me today on Daily Talking. My name is Alex. See you next time. Goodbye.